love to see a bounce here, dip into this 17 or so and a bounce, head up to 50, and then have a catalyst come out. A nice catalyst pushes through 50 and, you know, keep this sucker going. If it open right now, it looks like it's gonna open just right in the trend for continuation.
Order filled.
I got a nice pullback there on the option chain, so I had to take it on the one. We're not even gonna get the pullback into 25. Look at these guys. That's why I wanted to take that one. If we can get through this 40, we're headed to 50. If we can get to 50, I'm gonna take profits here at the close of this 5-minute candle. This is a huge 5-minute candle.
Order filled.
Yeah, baby, taking some profits there on that, on the small account right there for sure. We're coming up on the end of that 5-minute candle. We're right at the you know, the 50. I got it right out the gate, so I took it off there in the small account. I've got full strike on here. I think I'm gonna take profits on everything. So I caught about $7 out of that, out of those contracts.